Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is your girl Naika. So as you guys know, it's about that time where I'm getting ready to revamp my whole house and change it to the summer theme. I mean, when you get so used to revamping your house every like 1 month or 2 months or so, after a while when you start looking at one theme, it starts to like look like you've been staring at the same thing for so long. So I'm like so ready and I'm excited to just do something new, do something different, change up the house, get ready for the summer. And as soon as summer comes out, you guys already know I'm thinking about fall. I can't help myself. All right, so let's just get started. My house is upside down right now because making centerpieces, different things like that to decorate the house with. It was been a lot. So I'm actually usually I start with my dining table last, but this time I'm actually gonna do it first. So let's just dive right into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my dining table. I'm going to start wiping it down, of course, the usual seasonal polish and prep. I usually use Pledge when I do that. Next, I'm going to put down my tablecloth. It's actually like diamond shapes on it, and it's like a blue and a greenish patterns on it. It's really pretty. Then I decided to do a different type of runner this time, greenery. Then I got these nice placemats, gold placemats, and these nice really patterned bluish plates that you see in the back and on the placemats, along with the napkins that I've actually already had used, and I just added a touch of flowers, blue and white flowers to add to it. And I had these nice little burlap kind of coasters, and then you guys see the centerpiece with eucalyptus in it as well, along with the back centerpieces, little pieces of eucalyptus, little pieces of pampas, and some nice little flowers. So you're gonna see a separate video with me creating the floral arrangements to add to it. Next, I'm gonna add these really pretty blue teacups that I got from Amazon. I saw them, I fell in love with them. I said they would go perfect with my dining table. So I'm gonna link the description below on Amazon to these cups. They have different sizes. So they have like the smaller sizes, which is what I have, and they have the taller ones. And next I'm gonna add my final touch and move on to my console. So my console, I do the usual wipe it down. My infamous lamp, I decided to add a little runner. Besides the wooden runner, I decided to add a little blue runner on top of it, along with, of course, my gold infamous vase. Right, then I added a little clock in between, a different touch, and you guys are also going to see a separate video of some of the items that are new that I've got in my decorated box. So next I'm going to deal with the actual living room itself. So I wiped down my coffee table. The little one and of course the one in the middle. Right, I'm going to I had this little nice straw kind of tray, circle tray. So I decided to put the bottle vase in it on my coffee table in the small middle coffee table between the two single chairs. Now, of course, as you guys know, I don't buy new throw pillows. I always just add new throw pillow covers. So these are easily interchangeable. It doesn't take up too much space. You wash them, you fold them up, you put them away. And I love doing this because it changes the look of the whole entire living room when you just change the throw pillow covers. Right. Next, my little TV stand with my little fireplace underneath, right? Wipe that down, as well as my coffee table had the same runner as my dining table to match the same concept. And then I'm gonna put my a nice little placemat in the middle and my giant basket filled with eucalyptus flowers and pampas and everything. So you guys will see how I create that in the next video. Next, I'm gonna add my little vase to TV stand, and now I'm going to do my sectional living room chair. So of course, as you guys know, I change all my throw pillow covers. So these are actually Euro pillows, so I always get the perfect covers for these, change the size, and then the smaller ones as well. 18 by 18. So all of my smaller throw pillows are 18 by 18. So, you know, just know your size and then look up what throw pillow covers you like, and then you can use those. Right, and I'm a type of person that I like to do accents, so one side always have to match the other. So I always get double the throw pillows covers, so that way each side looks unison and asymmetrical. And this is my niche. I just love to, you know, change up the look of my living room. I'm already in summer mode. I did this look at the end of May. I'm already thinking about fall, so stay tuned. Right, so now as you guys can see, with the last throw pillow, everything is pretty much asymmetrical. They're the same, right? And I love it this way. It just gives a nice little accent touch to it. Right, and I put a nice throw at the sectional side with the chase, and I put a throw at the top with the gold. Next, I'm gonna do my I call it the drums. I always laugh at that. I call it the drums. Right, so I got this basket decorated, so I'm gonna another video to show you guys that as well. And I added this top shelf to give it some more oomph in the living room itself. Right, and I put a picture of my husband and I and these nice accents that I also got in my decorated box. Right, so next it's my bookshelf, which I call it my accent shelf because 25% of it is books. The other 75% is floral arrangements. So I have my big floral arrangement at the top, my Mr. and Mrs. in the middle with a picture of my husband and I. Then more pictures of him and I. A nice little tray with, you know, potpourri. And I use I switch up the areas of my house, a lot of the accents that I have. Give it a different look. Right, these are the first set of books you're gonna see. Probably only ones. So I wanted to show you guys the final look of my dining table. Right, so you have, of course, the blue plates with the flowers embedded into the napkins. You guys get to see the cups close up, the beautiful blue teacups. Overall, I know in the video you guys saw that I had some gold candle holders with the candles. I forgot I had these black lanterns that I got from Marshall's a while ago, specifically for my summer decor. Ended up digging through some stuff last night and ended up finding it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually meant for my table. So I switched it out, and you guys will actually see where I put the candle holders with the candles. Right, so just as close up. Now we're gonna turn to this wall, and you guys can see my little console. Right, so I put, of course, the clock and and I put like a little runner here as well, just to add a little different look to this. And as you guys can see, I put the eucalyptus in the gold vase. So not too much change. I just changed around like 1 or 2 things on this side from the spring decor to the summer. so now we're gonna head to, of course, my single chairs. So as you guys can see, the single chairs, I changed out the cushions, one of the cushions, and turned them into, like, of course, you know, the blue one. And like I said, these cushion covers I got from Amazon. So I could drop the link for these cushion covers for you guys if you guys are interested. And as you guys can see, the little centerpiece here with the eucalyptus, I just put a couple things, and you guys saw from my DIY videos how I put these pieces and everything together. Right, next I'm going to show you guys my coffee table. So my coffee table has the greenery runner, like how my dining table had. And then I got this basket, which you guys, I had in one of my monthly subscription unboxing videos from the Globe Inn company. And as you guys can see, this is why I put the two candle holders with the candles that I actually originally had on the dining table. And then here we are. I put the flowers and everything, which you guys saw in my DIY video of me creating this look with the basket, and, you know, leaving it here hooked on and not moving, and then just having the eucalyptus and the pampas and everything just scattered on one side, giving that nice greenery concept look on my coffee table. Next, as you guys can see, I actually have my I actually changed up all the pillowcases on the couch and everything like that in order to give it that nice blue concept that I had. I absolutely love what I did with this look. And then just to show you guys this decor section right here, in the middle here, I did the shelf. And I did the basket with the, here's a close-up, the basket with the eucalyptus inside. And now to show you my beautiful bookshelf. Right, the Mr. and Mrs. at the top. And then I have a lot of the blues coming down, you know, on with my books and everything. Right, so I hope you guys like what you see. I hope you guys like the decor that I put in place for my home. It's a very cozy, comfy look, but something different, out of the ordinary.